Hey there, everybody. Welcome to Redsquadron4 Box Break, random number 42 for a single box of 11/12 Anthology. It's just after midnight, now the 6th of January, and here we go. Here's our serial number on this anthology, and I guess we're going to do the random spots. Do that first. Teams 3 times, 2 and 3. The buyers. So Timber bought 7. You'll see in a second. So that person gets the most, a free spot for having the most. The random will be done momentarily. Huggy 4, Hockeytown 3, Riley 1, Grey Whale 3, Das RJB 5, the Never Ending 3, Jay Larson 1, Timbers 7, and lastly Clara. 3 randomizations, 1, 2, and 3. We'll notice that the free randoms in spot 19. So spot 19, let's wait for this to get in there. Oh, that's not good. So it says it's not responding. So how are we gonna do this? All right. I guess we'll have to do it like that. Frustrating. I know. I'm sorry, folks. I'm gonna have to look at this video closely later on. So the numbers are all gonna match up. So as you can see, as we did this, it was done 3 times. Sorry, this has never happened before. So Buffalo goes to Hockeytown. DAS gets the Stars and Flames. Winnipeg is a Timbers free spot. Number 5, Timber gets the Flyers. Grey Whale, number 6, gets the Capital. Timber, 7, 8, and 9, Devils, Bruins, Sharks. Number 10 and 11 are Grey Whale, Edmonton, and Anaheim. 12 is the never ending, so the Blue Jackets. Oh, well, there we go. Now all of a sudden it responded. Beautiful. So 12 is the never ending. Blackhawks go to Huggy. Detroit Red Wings go to Riley. Das RJB, the Hurricanes. The Panthers go to Timber. Huggy gets the Leafs and the Blues. The free random we'll see in a second. That'll, like I said before, be the Islanders. The Never Ending, Kings and Wild. Timber, the Rangers. The Preds go to Das. Canadiens, the Hockeytown, as do the Sens. Vancouver Canucks to Clara. Penguins go to Timber. Huggy gets the Avalanche. And Das RJB gets the Coyotes. And the Tampa Bay Lightning goes to Jay Larson. So there's free random Islanders, free randomizations. That's the problem. So the problem is my internet is down. So I'm going to do the break. I'm going to restart the computer, and we're going to get this done in a second. There we go. Internet has crashed. Fantastic. All right. So just gonna save the spreadsheet. And all right, well, I'm gonna have to actually do that afterwards because, of course, of the video. So I'm gonna have to send out a either a screenshot or a separate video of me doing that free spot for the Islanders because I cannot do it now, and because of the luck of things, I can almost guarantee that we're gonna pull some Islanders card. Obviously, if no Islanders card gets pulled, we're good. So, alright. And the first one is not an Islanders card, it's a Vancouver Canucks Ganso Bay Pinnacle rookie. Detroit Red Wings, Gustav Nyquist from the certified set. Nice autograph, huge jersey. Numbered 114 of 299. Very nice. I like getting those cards in anthology. That plus those rookie treasures that we're going to find in a moment. Love these boxes. And, well, this gives me a reason to have to restart the computer. Gonna have to randomize the Goodbranson, Justin Falk, Hurricanes, Panthers. Suppose there's a chance they went to the same person. And we have for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Pierre-Cedric Labrie. So Florida and Carolina did go to two different people. So there will be a second video. That's a nice card from the limited set. Phenoms, Stephen Elliott. Number 282 of 299. And a Buffalo Sabres Pinnacle rookie, TJ Brennan. Nashville Predators Pinnacle rookie, Roman Josi. This is a thick pack. This has got to be the rookie treasures. The rookie treasures packs always seem even thicker than they are. They're crazy thick. You can tell those a mile away, it seems. And there it is. Rookie Treasures, a Rafael Diaz, Montreal Canadiens. Nice, I love those cards. 284 out of 499. Those had on-card autographs instead of stickers. Man. And we have Columbus Blue Jackets, Ryan Russell, Pinnacle rookie. And our last pack of Anthology before the bonus pack. Oh, and this is a Nashville Predators, Gabriel Bork, Calder Contenders, 795 of 999. This here, gotta be a luxury suite. That's my prediction. And it is. For the Anaheim Ducks, we have a luxury suite Saku Koivu jersey stick combination. Not serial numbered, but pretty cool looking card. So, again, if you are one of the people who, there were no Islanders, so that's a good thing. So, just as a reminder, the free random team went to the Islanders. No Islanders were were pulled. So that's a good thing for me, I suppose. If you have either Florida or Carolina, I will be sending you a separate little video just with that randomization. I do apologize again. But sadly, my internet connection, actually, it's been pretty good since I've been doing breaks. But anyhow, thanks again.